Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTVT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement. When you consider where the price was on Wednesday, and now all of a sudden you look at where the price is here, yeah, I get it. The price did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it is right now, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice move. But that does also lead to the more than justified question of, because of that pullback, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $2.90 mark. Why is $2.90 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. Now, sure, if something goes back to where it was, that just doesn't make any sense, right? And think about 290. If the price were to drop down below there and worse yet, sink to the downside, what would that be doing? That'd literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. So again, going back, by no means any sort of stretch of, well, yeah, that's actually a truly powerful move. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here and basically behaved like it did right there, does that a couple more times, then worked its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just quantifying progress again as $2.90. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, made themselves pretty apparent today, right up here around the $3.35 mark. I realize the price did go up above there a couple of times, but just trying to kind of find the middle ground and split the difference there. So 335, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.